So it's time to get back into BetaFlight to show the bare minimum you need to get the thing flying. So first of all, we'll turn on the transmitter.
Welcome to HTX.
And here's the new drone. I've actually put a cover on it at this stage. And of course the ELRS receiver's wired in. So I'm going to plug in the power. So it's powered on.
0 volts. Telemetry connected.
And it tells me the telemetry is connected. So looking at the I'll flick a switch.
25 milliwatts. 12.3 volts.
Okay, it's picking up both the ELRS receiver and it's dynamic power, so it's set on 25 milliwatts, so it can go up to 1 watt. And it's also picking up the voltage in the battery underneath
25 milliwatts. 12.3 volts.
So telemetry is working just fine. Okay, the next thing to do, I've got BetaFlight configurator up and running. I just need to plug in the USB lead again, and that's it. And it comes up, and there it is. Now, straight away, one of the first things to do is to go to receiver and start wiggling sticks to prove that, in fact, you've got a connection. And that's all good. Right, so in terms of the bare minimum to fly, start at the top, setup, as I say, normally you do, in fact I'll do it again, calibrate accelerometer, this levels it up, ports, don't really think I need to do anything there yet, configuration, I always turn off air mode, I find it's a pain in the ass, not interested in that. Don't do anything with the beeper yet because I don't have it on yet. Power and battery, that's kind of okay. PID tuning is important. So what I've done here, I've set everything up to settings that have worked before. I've got a screen copy over there of what I've set things to. The other thing was to look at the rate profile, because under BetaFlight 451 it was really stuffed up and wouldn't fly properly without modification. They seem to have backed away from that, so that's a fairly normal looking rate profile, so I'll go with that. Yeah, it was modes. Okay, so the bare minimum I need to be able to fly it was to set up the arming switch, and that's why you need the receiver connected, because you need that to check to see whether you've got things. See that moving across and going red. And the other one was angle mode. Now probably I didn't need to bother with that for the moment, but I did. So
flight mode horizon, flight mode acro, flight mode horizon,
for testing. Okay, and later on I'll do the horizon and failsafe and the beeper, but that's for later. The first thing is just to get it the bare minimum you need to fly the thing. And I've now got that, so we can disconnect from that. And if you're setting all that stuff the first time, of course you save it and reboot it various times during the process. But here I have a quadcopter that is now ready to do a test flight with. Okay, so ready for a test flight. And there we have a proof of concept. So we have a line of sight drone built pretty much from scratch.